Welcome everybody, and today we have Chronicles 2021 Football. So let's rip it. And here on the side here, you can pause this if you would like to see everything. But it says we can get autographs to 100, and then pinks to $3.99. So, and it says approximately 4 in every pack. Alrighty, so but we're looking, what you're looking for in here is you're looking for Justin Fields, you're looking for Trevor Lawrence, Najee Harris. So we get 7 cards per pack, 6 packs. So let's see what we get out of 2021. See if we can hit one of the top rookies. Maybe get it in a number card. That would be cool, wouldn't it? Okay, we have Joe Burrow, Miles Sanders, Courtland Sutton. Ooh, a bronze. A Gainwell. Kenneth Gainwell. That's a neat one. Oh, Davis Mills. Clear Vision. Nice one. Rashad Bateman, rookie from Panini. And then we got a pink of Matt Jones. Luminance. Pink. Okay. So, yep. I heard the Steelers are going to start Mr. Bisky again. And I'm like, okay. Their season's over. Let's see. There's Trey Lance. Rookie. Now, we want, I don't know if they come in these blaster boxes, but you want this black on these regular Chronicle cards. Jeffrey Simmons. Amari Cooper. Oh, this is a cool Trey Lance Prestige rookie card. Alrighty. I like that one. Ooh, Kyle Murray. Is this the Momentums? Oh, that's a sweet one. Put that there. We got Ellinger. Ooh, from Luminance. And a Calvin Ridley pink. Well, and people, if you're not subscribed to the channel and you like what we're putting out on the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you like the video, go ahead and like it, because that helps to help put the YouTube to show it to more people. Thank you. Let's see, we got Michael Carter, rookie. Matthew Stafford. DK Hopkins. Oh, this is a cool one. This is a Donegan of Tony. Kadarius Toney. Ooh, finally I got a Michael Parsons. He's in here, huh? Playoff momentum. Then this is a Grant Kings. And then a Devin Walker tied in pink. Whoa. Okay. So, yeah, I don't even think that the Steelers will beat the Colts this week. So, Lattimore. Oh, we got a Justin Fields rookie. All right, we like those. There's a Michael Pittman Jr. I have him on my fantasy team. And Lawrence. Trevor Lawrence. Prestige 2021. Looks like a bronze. Ooh, then we got a Najee Harris. Najee Harris. Playoff momentum. That's cool. Grant Kings of Mac Jones. And then we got a pink of Najee Harris Prestige. That's a good one. And that goes in the rookies. That goes there. So please guys let me know how your fantasies are going down in the comments. I'd like to see how we're doing on our fantasies this year. See Derrick Henry, Allaire, Juber Hubbard, OSU Cowboys, Rashad Bateman Prestige. It's a good one. Lamar Chase. Momentum. Clear momentum. That's a neat one. Ooh, we got Baker Mayfield. Pink. Oh, and we got another pink. We got an extra one here. Juber Hubbard. All right. Grant Kings. Okay. All right. This is the last pack, guys. Let's get some last pack magic and see maybe if we can get an autograph in this one. But let's see. We got DeMonte Smith. Jerry Jeudy. Zach Moss. Oh, this kind of card from Mac Jones rookie. Oh, that's a sweet one. Oh, I like that card. There you go. We like this card. We're going to put him there. And then we got a Zach Wilson clear vision for the Jets. Oh, and two pinks again. We got Mitchell from the 49ers. And then we got a Kyle Pitts Grit Kings. Which I have right here. I'm getting better at this. Let's see. We got Kyle Pitts pink. Zach Moss clear vision. This flex of Mac Jones rookie card. Juber Hubbard pink. Lamar Chase. All right, that's a cool one. I like this one. This is the Prestige of Najee Harris rookie. A Najee Harris momentum. Michael Parsons momentum playoff. A Donegan of Kadarius Toney. A momentum of Kyle Murray. A bronze prestige of Trey Lance. And then we got a pink luminance of Matt Jones. Okay, everybody. So, I hope everybody liked the video. And if we can get to 100 subscribers, we're going to be giving away 2 graded cards. But when we get close, I'll make a video on what we got to do to get entered into it. So everybody have a good day.